brand new video. And you know how I made the fidget spinner video last time? Yeah, so my brother got home and then he had the fidget cube. And I was like, oh, I could have just made a fidget cube episode. And I was like, God damn it. So I was like, maybe tomorrow I'll make, sorry, my nose is itchy. I'll make a fidget cube episode. And here it is. Now it's red. Sorry, I charged my phone. So here's the first thing that I like to do. You press the buttons. This one makes noise. If you can do it close, you can kind of hear. This would sound well. This here pressed it. And this one here, press pause. Yeah, so come on, good. Well, so that's really all about a fidget cube, really. I don't know where you buy them. I know 7-Eleven has a fidget spinners, but I don't know what the fidget cube. Yeah, so my brother got this for me, so that's why I was like, I should just make a video tomorrow. I might make a video twice a day, most of the times once, but else like once a month I'll take a break one day of a video. So, yep. Oh my god, again! So in the comments, post what you want to see. I'm stupid. I know I said Toad's Store Part 1 would be next, but I was like, since we got the fidget cube, I was like, god damn it, I should just do the fidget cube episode now. So yeah. And you just hit random buttons, it's weird. Okay, that will be our video for today. And always in the comments leave some choices. And here's a fidget spinner I use, I think. You guys know. God damn it!